Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Sienna LE. This is an 8-passenger minivan in Alpine white, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5 liter V6 driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features we'll find with the Sienna includes a remote keyless entry, roof rails, and a backup camera. Before we look inside, just to show you on the side view mirror, you do have heated mirrors with the Sienna. On top here you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. We have some storage space on the bottom that runs along the entire side of the door. And the Sienna does come equipped with all-weather mats and light gray cloth seating. And on the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. Starting it up, we got our key here. Ooh. Taking a look on the left side of the steering wheel, we have these arrows here, and this will help you cycle through any audio that's playing. You also have your volume buttons, voice recognition system, and your hands-free calling. On the right side, you have this cluster here, and this will help you cycle through your multi-information display. Underneath that, you'll find your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control, and your speed settings for your cruise control are right behind the wheel there. If we move on to our screen, on the left side, it'll display any device that's connected, your trip information, and on the right side, you have your audio. We can also view the trip information by pressing that, and you can view your history as well. Going into audio, on the left side here, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, you get a nice backup camera with this Sienna as well. Underneath that is your climate control system. Here you have your driver, passenger, and your climate control dial for those rear passengers. If we move underneath, this is where you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats, your USB and auxiliary, and your 12-volt outlet. We can press that button and you got 2 cup holders that slide right out. We have a little shelf here for some storage, as well as on the bottom 2 cup holders, and we can open the center console by pressing the button, which features plenty of space. Taking a look inside the back here, you can see we are continuing with the all-weather mats and the light gray cloth seating. If we look inside here behind the front driver and passenger seats, we have these storage compartments behind the seats. The second row does fold and slide. All we got to do is pull that upwards, slide them forward, and that gives you access to your third row seating. The Sienna has no shortage of storage space, so if we just press this button on the bottom, you can see even with the third row seating, you still have plenty of room in the back here. To fold these seats down, all we got to do is just pull on this handle, and they tuck in on the bottom. Nice and easy, and you can see you have even more room. And of course, like I mentioned, the second row seating does fold and slide forward in case you need that extra bit of room. We got some cup holders on the left and right side, as well as some storage compartments for those third row passengers. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, tri-zone climate control system, and 8-passenger capacity seating. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take you for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.